Good afternoon, friends and family of Deception Bay State School. Welcome to the end of another exciting week at Deception Bay. This week we saw our students who did really well on Athletics Day go on and represent us at districts, and we are so grateful for their achievements. We have 5 students going on to regional, actually 7 students going on to regional from our school, and we look forward to seeing them succeed at regionals on the Sunshine Coast later in August. At Monday's assembly, we'll be celebrating our successes from districts, and we thank you, mums and dads, for putting in the effort to make sure all our children succeed. This week has also been, it will culminate with a technology experience tomorrow on Saturday. Miss Kyron Darvin has been leading our technology agenda, and tomorrow we have our technology expo here at the school. All are welcome. There's a link in this week's newsletter and on our Facebook pages to register. There'll be a barbecue from 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock where you'll be able to see all the different technology experiences that our children have been having while here at Deception Bay. There's robotics, there's Spheros, there's all sorts of hands-on activities for parents in our school hall. Please come along off Grosvenor to participate. On that note, I'd just like to explain a couple of things in relation to technology and technology use. We see in the media a lot to do with device use and screen time. I just would like to clarify how we use devices here at Deception Bay State School. There are 2 ways of thinking about devices and screen time in particular. There's content consumption and content creation. When you or I or anybody sits and watches movies or binges or does gaming for hours and hours on end or Facebook or Insta scrolling or Snapchat scrolling, that's called content consuming, where the content that's created on social media or in games or on movies, we then consume as an individual. Screen time and content consumption is something that really needs to be monitored to make sure that children in particular aren't spending loads and loads of time consuming content. The other part is content creation. Just like right now, you're watching this video, that's called content creation, where we use devices to create content. Content creation, of course, we need to make sure we still monitor screen time, but is actually quite good for the brain. It requires multiple use of different applications to create an end object. It requires higher order thinking and cognitive challenging. So here at our school, when our students use their devices in class, we look for opportunities for them to content create. That then enables them to make their brains more flexible in this, the 21st century. Using technology is a core ingredient to successful schooling now and in the future. Please come tomorrow to our expo and experience how our students have created content, have used devices in a higher order thinking to problem solve and to resolve issues requiring multiple apps and multiple devices. We're excited about continuing to connect futures for students here at Deception Bay and look forward to seeing you all tomorrow from 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock here in the school hall. Thank you and have a great weekend.